I'm gonna be sneezing all day in that case. Hey mom, what are you up to today?
I have a business meeting. Oh, bless you.
Yeah, thanks. Anyways, I'm off to school.
By the way, we're getting new neighbors today. Make sure you introduce yourself.
Okay, I will.
Hey, Amara, cute top.
Thank you. Do you not think it looks cute, do you?
No, sorry, it looks like you got it from your grandma's closet. Hey, class, we have a new student today. Hey, I'm Brandon. I just moved here. Okay, Brandon, sit next to Amara.
Hi, it's nice to meet you.
I don't really care. What? Do you have corona or something?
No, it's just allergies.
Okay, class is finished. Amara, will you show Brandon around today?
Yeah, of course.
This day is gonna suck. Will you stop sneezing?